In this video, we will go over the protocol for troubleshooting a clogged gas line or lack of bubbling in a chamber. In this case, chamber 2 here. The first step would be to check the needle valve on the back of the interface to make sure that it's open. You can twist it, make sure it's open, and see if that changes the bubbling. If you turn the needle valve and you get bubbling, then that may have fixed your issue. If you open the needle valve and there's still no bubbling, then the next step would be to check the silicone tubing that goes into the gas inlet on top of the chamber. To do this, you will need a small beaker filled with water. To do this, we'll lift up on the gas and vacuum inlet, move that to the side so it locks in position, carefully unplug and remove the chamber, grab your beaker of water, carefully remove the silicone tubing, and place it in there. If you have bubbling, as you can see here, then you know that the clog will be in this metal inlet pipe right here. If there's still no bubbling, then the internal tubing is clogged and you will need to send it to DMT for repair. To unclog the piping, take a small needle or piece of wire and put it through to knock out the clog. If you get too much resistance, don't force it. Please contact the DMT representative for assistance. Then you can reattach the silicone tubing. Check the chamber. And check for bubbling. At this point, all 4 chambers should be bubbling. If it is not, please contact your DMT representative for additional troubleshooting. If all 4 chambers of your DMT myograph are not bubbling, the first thing to do would be to check the gas tank to make sure that it is not empty. Then you could open all the needle valves. And if that still doesn't work, the next thing to do would be to check the connection for your main gas inlet. To do that, remove the tubing and grab the beaker of water and see if you have bubbling. If you have bubbling in the beaker and no bubbling in your chambers and all your needle valves are open, then you have a clogged gas line and you'll need to contact your DMT representative for shipping and repair instructions.